Hello everyone, welcome to video lecture series of digital and social media marketing. Today's topic is what is digital marketing. In this video, I'll explain you what is digital marketing, what are the advantages, how can you define this particular term. Let us begin. If you have to understand the term digital marketing, you can understand that it is the combination of two words, digital plus marketing. Means how marketing is being done via digital medium. Or you can say digital marketing is what? Actively promoting any product or services via digital distribution channels. Means which is the alternative to the traditional marketing schemes, right? Means it is the process of promoting any brand, service or product. That is what the digital marketing is. So as I have told you that here the digital distribution channels are like which are nowadays we people are using various channels, social media we are using, email we are using, right? So these are what the different kinds of, we are using different mobile apps. It means digital marketing, it involves the use of electronic devices and the internet. So how can you explain? Let me explain you one more time. If you have any information about the product or service something, and you are using digital devices to publicize this, to market these products and services, that is what the digital marketing is. Means here you are using digital devices. At some of the places you are going, you may find that digital marketing may be done online or offline. So here offline means nothing but suppose you are doing the marketing, digital marketing via television, radio, that is what the offline. But in most of the term in general, it is what wherever we are using electronic devices and the internet, that is what we are talking about the digital marketing. Now, as I've told you that digital marketing, it refers to the marketing of any product or services of any company via digital channels like search engines, website, email, social media, mobile apps, right? And if we talk about the traditional marketing, which we used to do in a conventional manner in the past time also, even in today's time also, some of the traditional marketing are still in use. And there are some benefits also, which I'll be discussing in the next video. But there are certain limitations. That is why we used to prefer the digital marketing. So means the traditional marketing which have been done in a conventional manner, just like distributing pamphlets, putting a advertisement in the newspaper, giving an advertisement in the magazines, giving some advertisement in television, radio, putting a banner at some particular place, right? So this is what the traditional marketing is. So here, because we are more concerned about the digital marketing, so you must remember that here we are utilizing digital channels. Now, let us understand what are the 5 Ds of digital marketing, because you have to understand. So, digital marketing, it actually encompasses 5 Ds. First is digital devices. See, nowadays almost every one of us are using digital devices. We are using computers, laptops, tablets, smartphones, and digital services can be accessed on digital devices, right? It means you can communicate with your target audience by the use of laptops, tablets, smartphones, and with the help of TV, watches, gaming devices also. It means we can interact with browsers, websites, and online applications. Second D is related to digital platforms. So as I'm saying digital platforms, immediately the terms which will be coming into your mind, that is what? Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Snapchat, etc. And nowadays, majority of digital users are having at least one account on any of these platforms. Some of them may have 2 or 3 accounts, but at least one account. Some of the persons, majority, they are using Facebook. They are watching videos on the YouTube. It means wide range of digital platforms can be incorporated into digital marketing strategies. And what is the first insight? To get to know about the customers means what are their preferences and what they have purchased in the past as well. It means we can create our own brand profile on online platform. We can give the facilities about the services and then we can promote it. It means we can share the offers, the details in various ways which can be very much appealing to the audience and they used to check on their websites and on the mobile apps. This is what the beauty of digital platform. Next is the digital media. Digital media, you can understand because see, it pertains how you are connected to the target audience in the chosen platform, right? The platform may be various platforms, and whatever the platform you are choosing, that platform will connect you with the required audience. It means digital media can bring a significant increase in the terms of potential customers because those customers will hear about your brand, about your services, what you are offering. Means there are various digital medias which we can choose. For example, we can use web search engines to give attention to our brands. Mobile applications may be there for e-commerce. We can help take the help of some drive sales also. And if we talk about some personalized approach, means we can utilize some communication tools like sending messages or emails. So this is what the digital media is. Next D, fourth D, which is the digital data. Data means it comprises all the required, mandatory, and relevant information about all the potential customers. And because this is to be related, that is why we are saying this is all the digital data. Means all the digital data related to the potential customers and all, which we can use this data to encourage them so that they can purchase our product, they can purchase our services, and even if they are not purchasing, at least they must check out our brands, right? So keeping in mind all these data, but this data you must remember that it is not included some private information because the private information of the customer or the consumer must be protected by law. And the last D of digital technology, that is means if we are aiming for a brand and we would like to seek the attention of the consumers or the customers, means we must encourage to use them to modern technologies, right? And digital marketing components, you can understand digital marketing component is what this you can visualize at cherry on the top. It means which can further make the target consumers more interested what you are offering with the inculcation of digital technologies. Means if you are having like something, some chaos in a store, where you can display some of the advertisement about your brands or some of the like products you can display for the other brands also. So this is what related to the digital technology. In its continuation, there are 5S of digital marketing objectives. Digital marketing objectives have been summarized into 5S. What are those 5S? Sell, serve, speak, save, and sizzle. What are these objectives? Suppose if you have to explain about the sell. Sell is what? This is the essential aspect for any digital marketing business because selling, this is a very clear connection between selling any product or service and the revenue of the company. So sell is directly related to the revenue of the company, and what is the objective of the company is to gain the profit as much as possible from the sales. Now, being digitized means selling our products in the online platform across the world, and this online presence will help us to get a lead generation and which automatically and eventually will turn into the potential customers, right? And we can have a user friendly website where the consumers can also give their feedback about the products and services. Second S is what? Serve. As from the ages, you know that the customers are the king. If you have to buy anything, if you are going to purchase anything, you have a money, then you would understand, you will pretend yourself as a king. Means you would like to buy the best thing, you would like to inquire about all the products, all the features, and then you are going to finalize things. It means it is very important for the customer what they are requiring. Means customer requirement must be understood by the organization. Means what they need and what is the requirement, and accordingly they must be served. So it is very difficult for like any organization to serve all the present like generation online. So first what they can do, or what they used to do as a marketing strategy, they used to recognize their potential customer, and then they move forward to serve them in a regular and systematic manner. When the customers are satisfied, they used to give their feedback, and because on the basis of the feedback or any of the like recommendations being given, the further things can be happen smoothly. This is what serving to the customer. Next, speak. Speak means whatever I'm communicating to you, you are going to listen it. Means communication play a major role in any of the marketing business, and this is very important for both suppliers and the customers. And as a marketer, first we need to understand your customer. Our customer means first know your customers, listen them carefully, and when you are aware with your customers means what they are looking for, then you can serve to those customers. It means this is speak communication. This is very important. Means what is the interest of your customer, what is their attitudes, behavior, and then you will be able to give them the best response. Next, fourth S is about the save. Save means you can save in the case of the digital marketing. When you are marketing your products digitally, when you are providing services digitally in any of the online platform, means it will automatically help us to save money, time, and efforts. You can buy something sitting from your home, you can purchase something from the Amazon, you can reduce your time because there you can be like getting the customer reviews. You can finalize the best thing, and sometimes you may get the best offers, best deals also, so you can save the money as well. It means it must reduce the physical and operating cost. That is what the save is. And next and last important S is sizzle. Sizzle means how you are building or enhancing your brand name online. Means sizzling is nothing but it is about creating, broadening, and establishing your brand presence on the digital platform. How you are serving it. And here, social media plays a great role in achieving or building your brand presence because it is very creative, and you must also be very creative. You can create your own post via various like tools, etc., where you would like to give the highlights, you would like to give the features and other interactive posts so that they may appeal the customer eyes. So before reading anything, if there is any post which is appealing to the customer, so customer would like to give some of the time, they would like to spend some time, would like to go through. It means you need to build trust, your recognition, and relationship with the customer, and that is only going to enhance the presence of the product or services in the market. So I hope now you must be aware with the 5 Ds and 5 S of the digital marketing. Now let us talk about the advantages of digital marketing. There are various advantages of digital marketing. Few of them already we are discussing at intermediate stages. See, first, reach to audience. With the help of digital marketing, we can reach to local audience as well as the international one. Means we can tailor our campaign to specific audience, demographic, gender wise, location wise, age wise, interest wise. It means if we are doing the campaigning in this manner, that would be the more effective. We can have a good reach to the audience. Mode of content. Mode of content means audience can choose how they would like to receive our content. Suppose if one person like to read a blog post, Another person may like to watch a YouTube video. Another may would like to have a watch on the post, or like something. So that post can be created, and online people get options about our communication, and which is very relevant nowadays, because they need not to search. All the things are available. You can search something on the YouTube. You can get a like white paper something on any website about the same thing. You can get a blog post also. That is why the mode of content. Next, interaction with audience. With the help of digital marketing, interaction with audience is possible, because suppose for example, if we are using social media to promote our products or services, and so here the customers or the consumers can give the feedback about your product, about your services. Sometimes you can ask them to rate your products which they used to buy. So everything is visible to the market. So you are getting the feedback from the audience. So that is why it is more interactive even in comparison to the traditional marketing. Because there you used to give a advertisement in the newspaper, means you are not getting any kind of feedback. So it gives you the feedback as well. Low operational cost. As I've already discussed with you, that digital marketing is cost efficient. This is a very important feature. Means you can invest a very small amount, and then you can do the marketing worldwide. While traditional marketing, that is very costly. Means you can assume, if you would like, if you have to give a advertisement in a newspaper, so for different cities there will be different like editions newspapers, so you have to give those many advertisements. But here, by creating only one post, you can have a reach to the millions, billions of the customers. Tracking result. Tracking results means data and results are easily recorded in the case of digital marketing, like with the help of the Google Analytics, that will gives you some insight tools which can offer by the most of the social media channels. You can check on your at an instant of time. Like suppose if you have uploaded a video on your YouTube, you can see how many have seen your video, how many have like that particular video. Similarly, any post on the social media, you can see how many comments, how many likes or something. So accordingly, suppose if you have created any campaign, any like post, and if you're not getting the result accordingly, so you can modify them. You can do the necessary changes, and you can upload them as well. That is why data and results are very, very important in the case of the digital marketing. Next advantage is levels playing field. Means levels playing field means any business can compete with the competitor regardless of the size of the number of employees in a company, number of products offered by the company, right? So here, if you talk about the traditional manner, even a smaller retailer that would struggle to match with the fitness of the large competitors. But here, nothing is going to be like matched over there. The smaller competitors, retailers, the larger one also, they can play on the same field. They can offer their products. If they are offering best product, best features, definitely consumers are going to buy them. Real time results. As I've told you that here we do not wait to for a weeks or for a month to identify, to observe about the growth, about the sale of our products, right? So here we'll be getting the feedback day by day. Day by day you can analyze how many products have been sold out, and accordingly, and how even you can identify how many visitors have seen your products, how many visitors have seen your websites, and how the subscribers are increasing, how the trading times, conversion rates. There are various factors which you can observe on day-to-day basis, and sometimes on hours to hours basis. So it provides you the real-time result. Creating brand awareness. With the help of digital marketing, you can create contents and which you can post on social medias, or which you can share with the other mobile apps or something, so that you can create awareness about your product into a larger audience. And if Suppose you have developed a website and a well maintained website. If that is having a quality content which is targeting the need and value addition of all the target audience, that will give a significant value. Means the products, conversion, revenue of organization, that is going to directly impact upon that. It means brand awareness is also very, very important. Higher revenue generation, obviously, when audience, they are aware about your product, and if you are providing them the product or services at a like very good, along with a good features at a low cost, and by providing all the services, definitely they are going to convert into the revenue, and revenue will be generated. Global marketing. So with the help of digital marketing, we are not targeting only the local audience. Global marketing can be done because we can reach to the larger number of audience, right? And accordingly, it is going to impact the overall cost, overall revenue. Increases conversations. As I've told you, that digital marketing allows us to interact with the consumers, to interact with the target audience, because target audience, if they are not buying any product, they are not taking any services, even then they can review something. If they are availing the services of any other competitors, they can also tell you that these are the things which are not available in your brand, or these are the features which are appealing to the customers. So it means the digital marketing, it increases the conversations between the organizations, sellers, and the audience. So these are the various digital marketing advantages which are very, very helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video.